Hello folks, welcome back to my channel. This video will be on jumbo knotless box braids. I'm going to start off by doing my part-ins, and to ensure you have clean lines, clean part-ins, you want to put some edge control product. I use Shine and Jam. That's what I had at home, so that's what I'm using. And then you're going to put that on your lines, and then you're using your precision comb, right tilt comb with like a metal end, like you see what I'm doing right now. And then just go over the line. So you first do your line, put your product on, and then go over the line again. So that's going to give you the ultimate precision. I'm going to show you again what I'll be doing. So create that line. So we start off with 2 at the bottom, and then we're going to have 3 on top of that level. Try and make your braids fall in the bricklayer method if possible. So it just has it just falls nicely when you do that. So first you want to do your line, and then you're going to add your product, your edge control product on that line. And then you're going to go over it again with your comb to just make those lines very, very clean. Doing it this way is going to make your work look so much neater when you're done. So don't skip on doing this. You want your jumbo box knotless box braids to look very clean, very nice, and very natural. And this will help you achieve that. So I had 2 at the bottom, and I'm doing 3 to have that bricklayer method, or that bricklayer formation. So again, I'm putting some edge control around the braid, around the hair, combing that in, and then I'm just going to do about an inch, just braid the hair about an inch, because we're using the crochet method today. So put some product all around the edge of the hair, work it in, and then do a braid about an inch of the hair. So you're going to do that all the way around the hair. Make sure to make your braid as close to the base as possible, but ensure that it is not overly tight. If it's uncomfortable for you or your client, make sure you redo it and make it a bit looser, because you don't want to be uncomfortable for the duration of this hairstyle. So make sure it's close to the base, but it's not uncomfortable. So this is me. I'm all done with the base right now, and I think we had about 2 at the bottom, 3, 3, 2, and then on the sides we've got 4 on each side. So we're using the crochet method. You want to get your crochet pin, ensure the latch is open before you put it on to start your knotless box braids. Put that through the hair on the crochet pin, close your crochet pin, and then pull it through. Hold in one end, and then you pull the other end through. So I am going diagonal, from left to right first. Put your crochet pin in, open, close your crochet pin, and pull the hair through, hold in one end. And so I have my pieces at the sides, and then I'm going to go top to bottom. So side to side and top to bottom. Make sure you don't try to pull through too much hair, especially if you're like at the edges of your client's head or your head, because the hair is really sensitive around the edges. So make sure it's best to go over it a couple of times than trying to force through like bulk amounts of hair in one go. So close your latch and then pull it through, hold in one end. Okay. So it is important to do it this method where you go side to side, and then up and down. You'll see in the moment why I think it's important to go this method. Don't just put it through anyhow, because it makes a difference. Okay, so I am going quite slowly because I really want you guys to see exactly what's going on and what I am doing. If you've got any questions, let me know. So we're about to start our knotless box braid right now. So we've got our sides, and then we've got the middle. So bring that top one down, and you're just going to hold on to each, like 3 pieces. So you've got the sides. Okay, that's a better view. You've got the sides and you've got the one in the middle. And then all you're doing is you're going to cross over the sides across the middle, like that. And then go over to the other side and cross it over the middle. There you go. And it's nice to just make sure it's firm close to the base of the braid. If it's not, it won't look as neat. And all you're doing is just crossing over the middle strand. From one side, cross over the middle strand, hold it firm so it doesn't loosen up. And then you're just doing that all the way down. And as you can see, your knotless braid looks fused to the hair. It literally looks like it's coming out of her hair. It's flat. It looks so realistic. And this is why I want you to do side to side, up and down when crocheting the hair. I'm going to show you one more time. And like the braiding method. And if you've got any questions, let me know in the comments down below. I did get a question, someone asking me, does this grow your hair? Why is everyone doing the knotless braids? It's just less tension on the hair. And so less tension ultimately will keep your hair better, great protective style. And so it will result to hair growth and, retention of hair length, right? So it's not like the hair, like this style that should grow your hair. It's a better method. And it just looks different. Okay, so we've crocheted in the hair side to side. And then again, we're just going to hold our 3 pieces and put each outer side across the middle. Okay, so outer side across the middle, holding firmly, across the middle, holding firmly, across the middle, holding firmly. Sorry for the out of focus, but here it is. Look at how neat that looks. It looks like it's literally coming out of her own hair. So yes, and these are jumbo knotless box braids. So you want to make sure that you use enough hair and just try and do side to side when you're crocheting the hair in and up and down. And you should be able to achieve this. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll be glad to answer them.